And I know you remember at the time of his sentencing, he said something that was so odd and kind of cryptic, where he apologized to the Floyd family, although it wasn't a very extensive, heartfelt apology, at least from, watching from afar. But he said, you're going to hear some information that I think you're going to be interested in, that's going to give you some peace of mind. I'm paraphrasing here, but do you think that's what he was referencing, what we saw today with the change of plea?
It's so, that was so confusing at the time, and I do remember that. And I would only imagine that with this change of plea, that he will no longer be appealing the state court case. That would have to be true, because why would he bother? The plea is what it is. It's going to be a longer sentence than the state court case in any event. I'm wondering if there is a deal being brewed right now to make this all be served in federal court, where he is most likely going to be safer, and in exchange for him to testify against the other police officers. That's my best guess, and then that way the family would fully hear from him. But it's still very confusing when we go back and think about it.
No, definitely. As you make a really good point too, Christa, we still have that state appeal pending. And so I actually got a question about this on Twitter. The entities are separate, state court and federal court, totally separate. So it's not like this federal change of plea today is going to affect that. But as you mentioned, Christa, we might see him abandoning that effort, or maybe not. Who knows? Nothing would surprise me with Derek Chauvin and what we saw with his trial playing out. So got to leave it there for now. As soon as we get the sentencing date, we will report it here on Court TV.